Welcome to another video by Stan's Auto Repair. This is just a simple little video. I'll have probably another video. It's going to be a full tune-up on this PT Cruiser. This happens to be my 07, the abandoned one. And today I'm doing a replacement of the windshield washer nozzles. And there's your part number, 58115. They're roughly, I would say, anywhere from $15 to $30 depending on your location. Got this at Advanced Auto. And let's go ahead and get this opened. Get these little bad boys out. I believe these are the same ones that are like on a Dodge Neon, older Ram trucks, Stratus, Intrepid. But this is what they look like. If yours were like mine, they broke right here where this piece right here broke because, well, from the heat of the engine over time they just get hard and brittle. You do have these little clips right here that you can, if yours isn't brittle and broke, you can get a pair of needle nose and push that and pop that out. And once you get the whole, mine's just fell apart. So to get them in, just like that. And then the other one, like that. And then you just connect it. Very simple. When they're brittle, to get this out here, you just get a little pair of pliers and just kind of break that out, and then you can detach it from here very easily, carefully, and then blow the broken stuff out. All right, so now we're going to test to make sure they work. Shut the hood. Oh, it's gonna be, oh, here's a part of it. Watch out, Bruno. Oh, this Citidads or whatever, those lovely bugs that come out every 15, 17 or 7 years, come out to mate and stuff. Supposedly they're supposed to be coming out soon, and well, you're definitely going to need your windshield washers. So, let's see. Oh yeah. Hopefully I don't get demonetized for that little bit. Working good. That's nice, because also we get deep pollen season in here, so windshield get covered in pollen, and not having those, oh, it's horrid. All right, y'all. Oh man, spray's good. Got inside the door. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And always remember, if it's broke, fix it.